If you're searching for a smartphone with amazing camera quality, that can even rival the iPhone, then you definitely need to check out this Nokia smartphone. According to the latest reports, Nokia is set to launch this powerhouse device, with 200 megapixel DSLR level camera quality, and a massive 7000 mAh battery backup. Yes, you heard that right, we're talking about the Nokia Turbo Pro 5G smartphone. In today's video, we'll dive deep into the full leaked features, price, and launch date of this incredible device. So, let's get started. Features of Nokia Turbo Pro 5G. Display. Nokia's upcoming smartphone is expected to flaunt a 6.76-inch Super AMOLED display, with a 120Hz refresh rate, Corning Gorilla Glass 6 protection, in-display fingerprint sensor, and an IP68 rating for dust and water resistance. Camera setup. Now, let's talk about the camera quality, because this phone is a beast. It's rumored to pack a 200 megapixel primary camera, along with a 50 megapixel ultra-wide lens, and 5 megapixel macro lens, and a 5 megapixel wide-angle lens. For selfie lovers, there's a 50 megapixel front camera, ready to capture stunning shots. Performance in OS. Under the hood, this smartphone is expected to run on the powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. And when it comes to the operating system, you'll likely get the latest Android 15 straight out of the box. Battery and charging. Battery life. No worries here, the Nokia Lumia 500 5G is rumored to pack a massive 7000 mAh battery, with 100-watt super-fast charging, support and a USB Type-C port for quick top-ups. Price and launch date. Now, the big question, how much will it cost? The expected price is around $750 in USA. As for the launch date, there's no official confirmation yet, but stay tuned for updates.